Hello again. Today we're multiplying rational expressions. Here I have 15x squared over x plus 2 times x to the third plus 5x squared plus 6 over 5x to the sixth power. I'll need a little more room, so we'll move that over a little bit. And let's see what we can do. Now, first I'll look here to the 15x squared, and I will write out the prime factorization of that, which is going to be 3 times 5 times x over, well, there's nothing more you can do with this x plus 2, so I'll put my x plus 2 here, times, well, is there anything here that I can factor out of this trinomial? Notice that there is an x in every term. And the lowest power of x is 1 right here. So that means I can factor out x to the first power. And that leaves me with x squared plus 5x plus 6 over. Now, let's write out the prime factorization of this 5x to the sixth power. Well, that's 5 times, and then 6 x's. Now, my next step is I have to do something with this trinomial here. I can factor that. So I'll rewrite 3 times 5 times x over x plus 2 times x times. Now, what two numbers multiply to be 6 but add to be 5? Well, positive 2 and positive 3 work over 5 multiplied by 6 x's. All right, now we'll make our one fraction. So that leaves me with 3 times 5 times x, and now I will also include this x right here, times x plus 2 times x plus 3 over, well, we're going to do this part first, so we'll write it out as 5 times 6 x's times x plus 2. Now you'll notice there's a 5 over a 5 here. We can cancel that, and we can cancel that x and that x and that x. Also notice there's an x plus 2 over x plus 2, so that all cancels. And now what we're left with is 3 times x plus 3 over, we have these 3 x's here, so that's x to the third power. Well, we could use the distributive property here, and we will multiply through the parenthesis, and that will give us 3x plus 9 over x to the third power. And that's our final answer.